Welcome to Priya Creations. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let me know which you like me to draw next. Here I am using black color sketch pen to draw this design. This is peacock border design. The peacock outline like this. I am using black color sketch pen for outline. If you want you can use any other colors. If you want you can use color pen, brush pen, marker pen, whatever you want. Draw the feathers like this. Here I am drawing flower pot. Draw like this. Do you have any doubts regarding border designs and color pens? Comment on comment section. Now I am using blue color brush pen. Fill this middle space with blue color brush pen. Fill like this. This is light blue color brush pen. Fill this middle space with light blue color brush pen. Now I am using yellow color brush pen. Fill this middle space with yellow color brush pen. If you want you can use any other colors. If you want you can use crayon or pastel, whatever you want. This is glitter pen, silver color glitter pen. Draw the line like this. Now I am using light blue color. Fill this middle space with yellow color brush pen. This is red color brush pen. Now I am using green color brush pen. Draw the outline with black color sketch pen. Draw this design. If you want any type of border designs or cover page designs or any type of cards, comment on comment section. Draw the line like this. Follow me on Instagram, link given in the description box. Color brush pen. Fill this space with light blue color brush pen. This is yellow color brush pen. Now I am using red color brush pen. This is green color highlighter. Draw the line like this. I am drawing 3 lines. Same repeat here. One more line. Draw the round shape like this. Same repeat here. Fill this space with red color brush pen. Draw the line like this. Same repeat here. This was completed. Here I am using black color marker pen. This is peacock border design. Draw the peacock outline like this. I am using black color marker pen. If you want you can use sketch pen, color pen, brush pen, whatever you want. Draw like this. Please like the video, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Press the bell icon for notification. Draw like this. I am using black color marker pen. If you want you can use any other colors. Fill this space with green color brush pen. Fill like this. This was completed. Now I am using blue color brush pen. Fill this middle space with blue color brush pen. Here I am using light blue color pencil. I am shading with light blue color pencil. Shade like this. If you want you can use crayon or oil pastel. I am using color pencil. If you want you can use dark green color pencil. Draw the leaf shape like this. Same repeat here. Draw like a frame. Now I am using green color brush pen. Here I am using blue color brush pen. Draw the outline with blue color brush pen. Draw like this. Thank you so much for watching. Support me as liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing.